What's up people, what's up viewers? This is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. Oh, and for the people who want to say something, my name is Weh Shi. You understand? You can follow me up on Instagram at Weh Shi.
I know I legit don't give a fuck who want to feel away, but the reason why enough women do successful are because of the man with them a fuck. Like, let me say that again. The reason why enough women do successful are because of the man with them there with. Too much limitations. You're not allowed the woman to be herself.
Yeah, people, viewers, and here we shall say, and that was the official, you understand? The official. And she basically say, some of the women them why them not successful are because of the man them with them there with. Not all relationship, not all of the women them, some of them are because of the man of them there with. But that a foolishness, that a foolishness. Because pre this, if the man now want you to be yourself, then get up and leave, walk away, break up the relationship if the man now want you to be yourself. And some of the time, enough of the woman them can't do no better without the man there. Financially, you understand? That for the woman them don't want to work, or just want have sex with a person because them take care of them. So a lot of women stay in a relationship. When they say yo, because the man them don't want them be themselves, it basically mean say, it's like the man abuse them then. You understand? I stop them from do things and abuse them. So if I'm an abuser, leave the relationship. Left the relationship, it is easy to walk away. Or rather, in most cases, it is easy to walk away. But just walk away. But some women can't walk away because they don't know if the next person we are going to look them, have them type of money there, or rather, I go spend them type of money there, pan them way that present money have spent. So, them don't want to leave. But when you ask them why them not leave and why them not do this and do that, they might tell you, say, yo, are the man fault when I feel them fault. Them put themselves in the position them don't want work, they don't want to be independent. That's why when a relationship gets serious, it is good to make your partner know your motives, know what you deal with it. You want something serious or not, or what you like from what you not like, and if you know what them like from what them not like. So nobody wait till the relationship pass serious and you can't left and then you go say, or rather then you go start say you like this and you like that, and the man not into that. And you never tell him say are you that you are the type of person there. So him confused, him turn idiot. He must say, what you talk about? Me not work with this. If you got there with me and not work with this and you feel like you're stuck, just leave the man. If the man say him not into them thing there, leave. If him not want you do what you want to do, if you not agree upon it, then it's good to walk away. Him not into it, you into it, walk away. You into it, him not into it, break up the relationship. Or you can seek counseling, or you by yourself just negotiate after you find out that there is a problem. You understand? Negotiate, talk to one another, understand, explain what the problem, you chat about it and see if you can work it out. But if it's something where you passionate about or them passionate about, it's hard for them just say, alright, them have to forget about something where them passionate about. Now, as I did say before, when you are going in a relationship, when you get too serious, or at least maybe at the start, you can make the person know what you like. You understand? Ask them what them like and what them not like. Make sure you know every details of what you like from what you don't like. So you don't wait till the relationship gets serious, 3 years, 4 years, and then you now find out that the person like this and like that. And then you turn idiot and break up, or you have a harsh breakup and heartbroken and depression and all type of thing. Enough time a man want a certain relationship, but him not man up and talk. Woman want a certain relationship and she not talk. You understand? Me not gonna say she for man up because she's not a bad, she's a woman. And this is where I believe that the man should man up. They are the man. They should press the woman about what they like from what they do not like. They should press the woman to make sure say yo, them comfortable, you understand? And make sure say them as the man comfortable too. And say press me not talk abuse or beat and not like that. Constantly question. I'm not talk ning nag annoy people, but No, when it even got to annoy, when you start annoy them, that means them not agree with you. You understand? Or them just can't reason. But most of the time, I know, can't reason, them just not agree with you, but them afraid to tell you. So when them start show sign to you annoy them not agree with you. Or them stop agreeing with you. But the totality, no man now hold long no woman. You understand? And not because of a relationship. Because they can't leave the relationship. Even though some people blind to what hold them down, you know. That's a fact. But majority of relationship, why woman no successful because them now woman up. It is easy for a woman to get a next man. You understand? From somebody look on you before, from somebody there before, you know you look good and wear and tear. It's not hard, you understand? It easy, it's just you to choose and pick wisely. Choose whatever, pick wisely, you understand? It could take time to choose the right person, but you need to look upon the red flags them, you understand? As I say, communicate, talk to no one of them that want to like, want to like, and them thing there. So that there is no misunderstanding. And for the people them love talk, but yeah man, just show them no want to talk about a situation. And somebody ask them something, them just say, yeah. This I want, yeah. Because them don't want to talk. And them don't want man up and tell what them really want. Them just say, yeah. Even when them not like it, you understand? Man, I buy your bag juice and say, you want this? You say, yeah, all when I want soda, you want. Now, for the people that reach this far, remember it is very important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. Now, to finish this video, when you are going in a relationship, not even when you are going in a relationship, you need to know yourself what you want out of a relationship. I mean what you want from a man, as in what type of relationship you want, what you expect, you need to let it be known. If you know what you want, and you see red flags where you not get what you want, you need to do what you have to do. Speak up. I don't like this. I don't like that. And if the person like that, then you know son, this is for you. And remember, if you can negotiate, talk about things and fix it, then fix it. No agree to nothing where you know like. You understand? For something where you're passionate about, don't make somebody take that from you. There's somebody out there where accept you for what you like, what you're passionate about. Now, big up on yourself. The official, big up yourself, you understand? Remember to like the video and subscribe. It is very important for you to like this video and subscribe. My name is YIP and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. And you can follow me at YIP on Instagram. Like the video and subscribe. You can also follow YIP Verified on Instagram at YIP Verified, just like the channel name. Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself.
I know I legit don't give a fuck who want to feel away, but the reason why enough women do successful is because of the man with them fuck. Like, let me say that again. The reason why enough women do successful is because of the man with them they're with. Too much limitations. You're not allowed the woman to be herself.